lace front in 24 inches. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is basically up to here. This hair is so sleek and very soft. I really do like this hair. It is very easy to put on. It came with baby hairs. The only thing I had to do was basically just bleach the knots. But apart from that, I honestly love this hair. This hair is very sleek. This hair also takes curls, but obviously today I'm just not going to be curling my hair. But yeah, just a big shout out to you guys, because I really like this wig and I feel like it looks so cute on me. But yeah, I'm gonna list everything in the description box down below. Big shout out to them. Isolation update. Where do I start? Where do I begin? Okay, so this is like day 6 that I haven't left. Actually, truth be told, I left my yard like yesterday, but I haven't been going far, guys. The only place that I've been going is to the supermarket, but I'm very aware, very cautious, don't want to catch anything. You know, make sure you guys order a mask, because I feel like that will help so much. Mine is on the way, so if y'all see me on the road with a mask, don't ask for why, because we finna be protected, okay? I'm not trying to go out there and catch anything from anybody. Like right now, guys, in the UK, cases are just getting doubled by the day, and this is actually something serious. Like, I have taken time off work. I am going to be staying indoors for about 12 weeks. The news came up this morning saying that anybody that has any type of, like, just any type of respiratory diseases or anything to do with the lungs, and for most of you guys that don't know, I'm at a high risk because I have asthma, so if I catch it, I am not the same as someone that would catch it and recover. Mine will be very critical. I will probably have to be hospitalized. So in other words, they basically just said that you need to stay at home. So yeah, I'm going to be staying at home. Still going to be getting paid from work, so it doesn't bother me. I'd rather be at home these days. I just want to dress up and go out and do things, but I ain't finna take no risk. I'm sorry. I will fully get ready and just stay at home for the sake of it, because we have no time to be catching any sort of whatever you call it, corona. But yeah, like, obviously now that this whole corona is just taken over the whole world, like, who knew that one man could spread it to the whole world? It went on planes, it went on boats, it went on everywhere. Now almost everybody is infected. Like, best advice of the year, stay at home, stay with your family and be safe, because out there you don't even know if they're on the handrails, on the buses, on the trains. Just, they could be lurking everywhere, and that's just not a risk that I'm willing to take. I'm sorry, because you're going to be isolated. You're going to be away from your kids, your family, friends and everything, and they're going to keep you in a place where you will have no formal contact. And I'm sorry, I cannot do that. I think it will drive me crazy. As much as it's driving me crazy to be at home with, you know, my family and just being indoors, not doing whatsoever, I think it will drive me a lot more crazy knowing that I'm hospitalized and not with my family or friends or anything like that. So make sure you guys stay safe, wear your gloves, wear your mask, don't care what people think, because at the end of the day, your safety and your well-being is more important than anything else. So yeah, just a few months ago, this thing wasn't even big like that. Like, no one really knew about corona. It was cool, it was happening in China, but now it's just all over the place. And I must say, this is just getting out of hand. Best thing to do is just stay at home. Just be very thankful for your health, because, you know, now that we, obviously, thank God we don't have it, most of us, or I don't know about the rest of y'all, but because we don't have it, just, you know, spend time with your family, your friends, do the things that you've obviously always wanted to do, because we have so much time on our hands. Like, I'm getting ready to stay in my house. That's how bad it is, you know. But truth be told, I kind of like this. I kind of like not working or going out there and just doing things, you know, and coming back really restless. So truth be told, I really enjoy this. And if they say 12 weeks, I'm gonna stay out of work for 12 weeks. Yeah, this is a threat to mankind. This is something so serious. Everyone's like, corona. Everyone's making funny videos about it, but if, you know, people that do have corona won't find it funny whatsoever, because they are struggling. Their lungs, they cannot breathe, you know. They're having episodes where they are struggling to breathe. They are just in their bed at a hospital, you know, the doctors, nurses, nobody wants to come near you. So, you know, just be thankful that you don't have it and that you're at home. Like, cool, I might be bored, but you know, there's always something to do. But yes, this is basically just my... Hello? Damn, can never get nothing. This is a time where you need to be around your family, because y'all don't know when the last time you guys are going to see each other. Like, tomorrow could be lockdown and you could be in your house by yourself. That's if you live by yourself. But you know, I heard that in Russia they've obviously released lions on the road to prevent people from stepping out their house. Like, I think that's actually mad. If I see a lion out my window, I ain't stepping out, that's for sure. But here, I feel like if there is a lockdown, obviously I hope not, but if there is a lockdown, there's probably going to be some sort of curfew, and you know, we probably can step out of a house and we will get fined, but it's not that deep. In Russia, you step out, them lions are going to get you. The streets are safe, everything's safe, so I just feel like the UK should, you know, do a lot more other than telling people to stay at home. Like, pff, the airport's open, the borders are open, everything's open. So I feel like obviously within weeks it's just going to spread, it's going to multiply, and it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. So yeah, just be careful guys, and make sure you guys don't touch nothing because it's nasty out there. So yeah, this was just a quick isolation update. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out on future videos.